In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the form 8949 in TurboTax. So what you actually want to do is the following. So you want to go to Federal over here on the left and click on it, and then you want to go to Wages and Income. And in here, first you will have to press Continue when it says so, and after that just answer some of your questions that show up on the website, and then you'll get to this part where it says select all that applied in 2024, and basically via this you will be able to file the 1099 form. Now you have to of course ask or answer these questions over here, and then once you answer all of them you'll be able to basically start your form 1099. It's gonna be either B or S. So basically if you then want to add the form 8949, it says on their website then when you enter in your investment sales or exchanges from form 1099B or S in TurboTax, they will actually automatically fill out form 8949 and transfer the info to Schedule D. So basically you do not need to fill out the 8949 yourself or add it either, because they're going to do it themselves, okay? So after you basically fill out this for your wages and income, so the 1099, you'll be good to go, and they will automatically do everything regarding form 8949. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.